If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Epic Games, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed effectively. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account where the pending transaction was made. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access transaction history. In the account settings menu, look for the transactions section. Click on it to view your transaction history, where you can find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Step 4. Select the pending transaction. Locate the pending transaction in your transaction history. Click on it to view more details and see if there's an option to cancel the transaction. Step 5. Follow the cancellation process. If the option to cancel is available, follow the prompts provided to complete the cancellation process. If you do not see a cancellation option, you may need to contact Epic Games support for further assistance. After completing these steps, you should receive confirmation of the cancellation. If you encounter any issues, reaching out to customer support will help resolve them.